It is being dubbed the Uber of relaxation.
Now you can forget begging for that appointment. This is your quick guide to clicking your way to convenience. It's a premium beauty service app designed for anyone who wants a beauty service on demand in their home, office or hotel.
It's actually a really good service to have to glam up on a Friday when you're heading out as an office, as a team. So yeah, it's really good for the Christmas parties as well.
Today, Natalie is getting a blow dry at work with Tony Marchman, one of the most frequently booked hairstylists and makeup artists on the LUXIT platform. It operates every day from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
They're just fun, they're friendly, they're very professional. All in all, they're just convenient.
The girls are from LUXIT, and what they do is they're mobile, so they go around to your house and do this for you, or your work, wherever you want it done. So we've got Bianca, who's working on my feet at the moment. We've got Natalie working on my fingers. We're doing the mani-pedi, and we've got Mia, who didn't even ask me, just started massaging me. I mean, that's how good the service is. These guys are called LUXIT. Now, LUXIT is awesome. They actually go out to you and do all your beauty treatments. So I'm now on their books as a potential staff member, which is exciting. Thank you.
Our pleasure.